what we did on our first day. Hi, we are Here Come the Tans and I'm sharing with you our day 1 in Kyoto. From our Airbnb, naglakad kami sa nearby McDonald's para mag-breakfast. And then after nun, meron kami nakitang sign na may temple nearby. Sa labas pa lang, ang calm and serene na ng atmosphere. Pagpasok namin, in-explain namin kay Sabine kung ano yung mga temples and para saan. And since walking distance lang yung Kyoto Tower from the temple, pinuntahan na din namin. Ito yung ticket prices and meron din silang information if tourists need help. Maliit lang siya and hindi siya ganun kataas, but you will get a good view of Kyoto. When in Japan, you will see stamps lalo sa mga tourist spots at ayan si Sabine tuwang-tuwa. And syempre, si mommy and daddy kumuha din ng souvenir dito sa machine na to. Tapos, may nakita kaming picture spot at nakakatawa kasi merong ready na tripod. Then, we went to Kyoto Main Station, nagpa-breastfeed ako, and then pinuntahan namin yung floor na puro ramen restaurants for lunch. After which, we rode the train para puntahan yung Sanjo Ohashi Bridge. Papunta kami doon, ang ganda, ang tahimik, at sobrang linis. Isa to sa daan para mapuntahan yung isang sikat na shopping arcade and market sa Kyoto. Nakakatuwa yung mga shopping arcades nila kasi isa siyang mahabang stretch ng iba-ibang shops and restaurants. Tapos, shaded area din siya. Habang nagnanap yung twins, dessert time for us at nakakita kami ng crepe lace na masarap naman nung nag-try kami. And then, walking distance lang from the shopping arcade, yung famous na Nishiki Market at syempre, hindi namin palalampasin ang mga food finds. A few more steps nandun yung Nishiki Tenmangu Shrine na si Mark at si Sabine ang pumasok kasi masyadong malaki yung stroller. When in Kyoto or Osaka, must try yung 10 yen snack at gacha syempre. We spent the whole afternoon walking around, eating at enjoying the area dahil hindi masyadong crowded. Then we went home and bought dinner from Family Mart. Stay tuned for more videos. That's it. Thank you for watching.